Welcome back to Lifect. In today's video, we're going to be sharing with you 9 ways that you can shift to a more positive mindset and escape the cycle of automatic negative thinking. Subscribe if you haven't already for more videos like this. Number 1. Identify negative thinking patterns. The first step in ending the cycle of persistently negative thoughts is to recognize them when they're happening. It's important to understand that negative thoughts that come to mind automatically are just a typical response to stress and uncertainty. But when these thoughts start to overwhelm you and interfere with your daily activities, it's time to act. One of the most crucial things to keep in mind is that most negative thoughts aren't an accurate representation of reality. They can be altered because they're merely mental constructs. Finding the unfavorable thoughts that are preventing you from moving forward is the first step. Remind yourself that they're just thoughts and not facts. If you catch yourself thinking, "I'll never be able to achieve my goals," think to yourself, is this thought constructive or destructive? If the thought is more detrimental, it's time to switch to a more positive and useful one, such as, "I'll work towards achieving my goals and make progress toward them, even if it takes some time and effort." Additionally, you can try to take part in positive thinking enhancing activities like practicing gratitude, reading self-help books, and surrounding yourself with upbeat and encouraging people. The cycle of negative thoughts takes time and effort to break, so keep that in mind as well. Number 2. Name your thoughts. It's important to take the time to identify the types of thoughts you're having when you start to realize that you're thinking negatively. Do you have paranoid thoughts that make you believe that someone's trying to harm you? When you really think about them, are they illogical thoughts that don't make any sense? Are they persistent, obsessive thoughts that you find difficult to ignore? Or are they beliefs that have an element of truth? Labeling your thoughts can help you see them more objectively. It's like standing back and looking at a painting from a distance. All that's visible when you're really close to the painting are the minute details. However, if you take a step back, you can see the big picture and how everything fits together. The same holds true for your thoughts. It's challenging to see how they work together when you're entangled in them. However, when you take the time to label them, it's like taking a step back and getting a better perspective. It's also crucial to understand that this process is about better understanding your thoughts rather than trying to avoid or change how you feel about them. You can better understand what triggers your thoughts and how they might be affecting you by giving them labels. This can help you start making lifestyle changes that will encourage more positive thinking and improve your mental health. Number 3. Take it slow and steady. It takes time, effort, and patience to change your thought patterns and free yourself from negative thinking cycles. Keep in mind that the goal isn't perfection or never thinking negatively again. The goal is to kick the ingrained habit of thinking negatively, irrationally, and destructively about yourself all the time. Even though it might be challenging right now, it'll get simpler and simpler as you continue to practice being conscious of your thoughts and feelings. Number 4. Don't excessively pressure yourself. Having negative thoughts is a natural part of being a person and can't easily be defeated or overcome. Self-imposed pressure to change can be exhausting and make you feel worse. Instead, think of it as developing a new habit. Try not to judge or blame yourself for your negative thoughts when they occur. Instead, give those feelings and thoughts some time to surface, and then make an effort to turn your attention elsewhere. It might be as straightforward as thinking about your partner, pet, or dreams. Concentrate on whatever it is that makes you happy and optimistic. By doing this, you're teaching your brain to think more positively and to associate happiness with particular objects or activities. It's important to keep in mind that finding balance and honing positive thinking techniques are more important than getting rid of all the negative thoughts. Number 5. Be deliberate in your dedication. It takes conscious effort and the willingness to develop new routines to control your habitually negative thoughts. If you don't make a commitment to creating a new habit, you might find that you quickly give up and blame yourself for not being more disciplined. The fact is that a habit must be changed with a strong intention. Before beginning this journey, consider why you want to stop thinking negatively. Does it negatively impact your productivity? Does it negatively affect relationships? It'll be simpler to stay motivated and committed to the process once you have a clear understanding of why you want to change. Remember that this is your journey, and that in the end, only you have the ability to alter your thoughts and behaviors. Although it won't be simple, you can escape the cycle of unfavorable thoughts and lead a happier, more fulfilling life with a clear intention and commitment. Number 6. Capture your thoughts in writing. Journaling is a powerful tool for letting go of issues that are bothering us. Writing your thoughts and feelings down on paper can be incredibly therapeutic even if you choose not to share them with anyone else. You can use it to analyze situations you're in, better organize your thoughts, and consider your emotions. This may help you think of solutions to the issues stressing you out more quickly. It's a journey of self-discovery that can give you a better understanding of who you are and how you feel. Some people find that writing helps them take care of themselves because it gives them time to process and reflect. It can also be a way to treat yourself with kindness and compassion. Try it out and see how it affects your ability to comprehend and manage your thoughts and feelings. Number 7. Appreciate the little things in life. A grateful attitude, especially for the little things in life, can significantly improve our mental and emotional health. Gratitude isn't just about being thankful for big things, but also for the little things that we often take for granted. It's important to remind ourselves of the basics that we have and to be grateful for them. Consider the fact that you have a roof over your head, a good cup of coffee in the morning, the support of your family, the upcoming free weekend, or even the nice shoes you were able to purchase. We should be grateful when we have these things, even though we frequently take them for granted. We can turn our attention away from the bad things in our lives and toward the good things by practicing gratitude. Instead of constantly aiming for more, it can encourage us to be content with what we already have. Consider the things you have to be thankful for, no matter how big or small. Being grateful for what we have can alter our perspective and make us more grounded, peaceful, and happy. Number 8. Repeat positive affirmations to yourself. You can alter your thoughts about yourself and your life using the powerful tools of affirmations. Usually in the morning when you wake up or at night before you go to bed, you repeat these short phrases to yourself on a regular basis. Repeating these encouraging statements frequently will help them sink in and start to take root in your subconscious mind. Affirmations, however, are more than just telling yourself that everything is wonderful and that you're perfect. They can also assist you in overcoming self-defeating thoughts and beliefs. Affirmations can be used to counteract negative thoughts. For instance, if you tell yourself frequently that you're not smart enough or good enough. Making affirmations specific, positive, and in the present tense is one of the most important things to keep in mind when using them. Say, I am successful, or I am a successful person, instead of I will be successful. Try to repeat them at the same time each day. Make it a habit to do so. This will help you remember them better and make them more effective. Number 9. Listen to some music. There are a lot of positive effects that listening to music can have on our lives beyond just enjoying it. According to studies, listening to music on a regular basis can reduce stress, elevate mood, improve memory and concentration, and even serve as a source of motivation. Neuroplasticity, which enables us to adapt and change our thought processes, can be brought on by listening to music. It doesn't matter what music you choose to listen to or whether it serves to pass the time or inspire you to finish your tasks. When you need a pick-me-up, are under stress, are having trouble with a challenging task, or just need a boost, music can make you feel better and more motivated. So, put on some headphones and take advantage of all the things music has to offer. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. We really appreciate every comment we get. Want more? Check out this video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.